Natalie, so welcome back to my channel, Fashion Meets Makeup. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my eyebrows. So this is my current brow look that we're going to be doing today. I have done a complete switch from how I used to do my eyebrows before. I was using a cream eyeliner or a brow pomade or a brow pencil. They were super structured and dark and defined. I focused on that little arch right there and I would extend them to about right here. And I feel like as the Instagram brow got really popular, I just transitioned into liking a softer look. I don't know, I just kind of faded into this, I don't care about it being as structured. I just want it to look well groomed and like it's kind of balanced and more filled in. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you how to do these brows. So today we're going to be using this product right here. This is the Make Me Brow by Essence, and I believe this is the shade Brownie Brows. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So it has a swoolie, which is actually pretty tiny when a regular swoolie would probably be almost double this size. So the first thing I do when I take it out of here is I go and I take off the product off of one side of the brush. The reason being, this product can go south very, very quickly if you accidentally apply it too much. It's always better to build than to take away. Also, if you do have a whole bunch of product right here on the top of it, you want to go ahead and wipe that off because that could accidentally get on the brow where you don't want it as well. So we get it off of one side of the brush, and now we're going to go ahead and go into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to do my best to try to describe this. I'm doing the same thing I do all the time, but I've never actually broken it down into words to tell somebody. So first I like to start right here. I don't start at the very beginning of the brow, just kind of in the middle. You can kind of see right here where there's a little bit of gaps. Go on the side that you took the product off. Now that's filled in, and now I'm going to go along the brow, brushing in short little strokes and just kind of going all the way to about right here. So short little fast strokes. We're just really laying the product in there. Doesn't need to be perfect at first because you can always fix it later. So now we filled it in to about right there, and now I'm going to focus on the tail part of the brow. And this I'm going to press down a little bit with the swoolie to get a little bit more product, because we're actually going to extend this tail a little bit. And right here, if I wanted to add more product on the top of the arch, just do short little strokes going upwards and then brush it along the shape of the brow. That's basically how you add more product. Now for this tail part right here, you can see the hairs go all the way to right there, but the product has not gotten down there yet. So in order to focus on that area, I'm going to take it, starting from the very top of the swoolie, still using the same side, and we're going to go this way and flick it up. And that's going to get a little bit of the product right there, but not too much where it's going to overdo it and become scary. And this is the general idea. So again, if you wanted to add more product, like maybe at the top of the arch right here, you could just go ahead and press down a little bit harder than you are when you're just combing through it and add more product and then brush it out. So there is the finished brow. Pretty easy, right? So you can see they're still pretty natural looking. We just quickly added, a little bit of pigmentation to fill in those gaps and lightly define them. This is currently my favorite method because I feel like they look, kind of well groomed, but it is a lot quicker than using the brow pomade or a liner. Alright, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So like I said, this is more of like a natural looking type of brow, but this is just what I've been doing lately. Leave any questions or comments down below if you have another product that you like to do this with. I know Benefit has their version of this, Essence is actually probably the version of the Benefit one. Follow me in any of my social media accounts. I have my username right here, or is it here? I forget. But those are all going to be linked down below. If you're not part of Bound by Beauty, be sure to come join us over on Facebook and check out my previous video if you haven't seen it yet, and I will see you guys later. Bye.